Psalm 112 verses 2 to 3.
Their children will be mighty in the land. The generation of the upright will be blessed.
Wealth and riches are in their houses.
And their righteousness endures forever.
Ayan ganda ng declaration namin sa inyo. Wealth, riches, righteousness that endures forever. Pero ang pinakamaganda dyan, verse 2.
Their children will be mighty in the land. Anong ibig sabihin?
Kakaroon na kayo ng madaming mga anak.
Amen.
And they will be mighty in the land. Amen.
Amen. Amen. So, ay.
Bakit nga ba tayo
Oo
nagbibideo?
nga.
Birthday mo pala, Lojen! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Lojen!
Lojen! See you soon!
Let's go. Git kayo, no?